In 2010, I started my journey as an entrepreneur and established a company in Mumbai on a partnership basis. Hi, and welcome to Sanglobe Shipping. My name is Salim Jan Mohammed and I am the Managing Director of Sanglobe Shipping. The number one question being asked to any Managing Director of the company is, what is your mission and what is your vision? For me, it's always to maximize company's holding in the fleet and be the best and trusted logistic partner to our customers while achieving excellence in the overall level of customer service. I was born and raised in India and started my career in project management at Indorama in Mumbai, accomplishing as their project engineer and progressed over the years. During my last assignment, I was working with Heidelberg Cement as their DGM project and procurement. In 2010, I started my journey as an entrepreneur and established a company in Mumbai on a partnership basis. Later on, I seized the opportunity and started overseas operation as a partner in Simtra International, a ship operating firm in Dubai, and pleased to inform you that I entirely own Simtra International as of now. We have been taking vessels on charter and operating various cargo to our close clients. However, we faced market turbulences and realized that without holding the vessel, it's very difficult to service the customers efficiently and at reasonable cost. This encouraged us to float Sanglobe Shipping with one own tonnage. And today, in less than a year, I'm happy to announce that we have acquired the second ship. And our aim is to add one ship every 6 months so that we become a sizable ship owning company. Considering my and my team's hard work, Sanglobe Shipping is a flourishing global dry bulk ship owning company that rigorously complies with a set of core corporate values, which streamlines our business mechanism to strategically evolve as a whole along with our clients and society, while assuring the top-notch customer service. Sanglobe Shipping is a loyal partner that will continue to create a long-term and sustainable values for our clients and society. We hope to advance to a path where you can evolve with us.